Hey guys, Drew here from Colton RV Marine, and today we're taking a look at the 130BH Sportsman. A small camper, but it's got a lot packed into it. I'm going to take you guys around it. So starting off at the front, it is a basic camper. So you do have your propane tank, little 20-pounder. You do have your manual tongue jack, and then behind it, it would be where your battery sits. We do have a battery pack hooked up there. The back side, there's not a whole lot on the back side, but you do have your fresh water. So if you wanted to fill your tank, you would do that through here, or if you have a site with hookups, you have a city water connection. So one thing I also want to talk about is this is a small camper. This is only about 15 to 16 feet total. So having front stabilizer jacks on something this small is amazing. It'll keep you so much more stable on the ground. You won't have that wiggle wobble in the front or anything like that. You have a cable hookup up front. Some campsites have cable, some don't. Down here is going to be your water heater. This is a 6-gallon hot water heater. It's direct spark, so all you got to do is flip the switch in there and you're good to go. Behind this is the spot for your detachable cord. So this does have a detachable power cord that you just hook up to there and then hook up to the post, and then your camper has full power. You'll see a little sticker that says low drain point. That would be needed for winterization. It's a low drain point, so you just open that up and all the water drains out of your system, makes it super easy for winterizing. Back to your furnace, and then your dumps are down here. You have both the gray and the black dump, pretty standard. You do have back stabilizers too, so that gives you 4 points of contact other than the tires. And now you have your bumper. This is where you're going to store your Stinky Slinky. This cap opens up and it fits in there nice and easy. On the back here, not a whole lot, but you do have your spare tire. Also, your prep for a backup camera. So you can add a backup camera onto this. Just a couple of wires in there, super easy to add on. Also, the prep for the ladder. So this comes with a prep for this ladder. You can buy the ladder separately. It comes down, stables right on the floor, so you can get up there. You do have a fully walkable roof up there, so you can get up there, check your seals, make sure that you don't have any issues, keep your camper nice. Being a bunkhouse model, you do have a little bit of storage underneath the bunks in there. So you do have plenty of storage if you wanted to put a chair or a couple extra things in there, maybe some yard games to play. And what I do love is these are held on with magnets, not those stupid clips that always break off. It's just a magnet, clips right up there nice and easy, and then you just twist and you're good to go. Up towards the front, you do get a second storage. So this storage goes underneath the queen bed that's in there. There is a little access from the inside that you can kind of see on the left there. That opens up so you can access all that stuff. Also, you get a glass door. This is a nice clean look to it. Doesn't get fingerprints really easy. It just makes it look so much better. And then above me, you do have an awning. It is a black awning. So if you roll a leaf in there by accident, it won't be stained for the rest of your camper's life. Opening up the door, they give you a nice screen door too. So this is a hard screen. So if you have small dogs, they won't be able to scratch this up, or kids. And then also, if we let go of this, it's an automatic closing screen door. Now, it might have looked like I pushed it, so I'll show you again. Just let go, and it automatically closes. Let's go check out the inside. All right, guys, now that we're on the inside, I'm going to show you how much space is in here. This is a pretty small camper, but you get all of your amenities in here. So starting up top here, you do have your Bluetooth sound system. You got indoor and outdoor speakers, so you'll be able to hook it up to your phone. Plenty of storage up here. Surprisingly, for the small camper, you do get tons of storage. So plenty of room for extra blankets up there. Down below me, this is going to be the camper queen size bed. Pretty decent size. You know, I could lay on there comfortably. You get a couple plugs up top for your phone and your tablet and stuff. Coming up to this corner up here, you will see there is a TV backer location. So even though you're in a small camper, there is room that you can put a TV in here. And that King Wi-Fi right there is going to be an add-on that you can add to make this whole camper have Wi-Fi, which is super cool and something this small. Over here, you have the little kitchen area. Plenty of counter space too. If you want to put it like an air fryer or like a toaster oven here, there's plenty of room. Plug for that. This is going to be your control for the furnace. This does have an onboard furnace that runs off the propane. So if we turn that on, furnace dump is right there. All the hot air will blow out of there, keep it a nice temp in here. Also on this kitchen top, you have a deep sink. Pretty decent size too. Up here is your cooktop. You get a Furrion cooktop. So this does have that nice glass that goes over top that you can rotate back. You got your 2 burners on there that also runs off the propane. Moving down, we do have this little cubby, little extra storage in there. Then This is the storage below the sink. Still do have enough room if you wanted to put like garbage bags or anything down there. Then you got your 12-volt fridge. So opening this up, it's a dorm style fridge. You do get a freezer up top, so you will be able to have like popsicles or something basic in there. And tons of room on the side, little can storage. Then up top, you get storage. You can put your plates up here, anything that you would want. And then you get a microwave too. This is just a standard microwave. Small, but it's a small camper. Now I'm going to switch sides with you guys. This is the bunkhouse model, so you do get 2 twin bunks. They're rated up to 250 pounds, so you can put even a large dog on this bottom one. Be a nice little dog bed for them. Up here next to the window, you do have your light controls. We can flip those on and off. And then we do have our power awning control. So it is a small awning, small camper, but it does go out a decent length. It'll give you a nice little camp space in the shade. Get a couple of lights up here, smoke detector, and little pantry storage. So you could use it as a pantry, or if you had extra shoes or other clothes for your kids. And then behind me is the bathroom. You do get a full-size bathroom. So I'm going to let you guys take a step into there. You do have a toilet, a shower area with a curtain that goes around. And then to your right, you have the vanity and the sink. Right here, you have your tank control. So this is where you turn your water heater and your water pump on from. Also, you can check your battery level, your fresh tank, your black tank, your gray tank. So make sure that you don't overfill those tanks. Then up front here, you do have a roof-mounted AC. So this blows nice and evenly to give you a cool temperature in here. That's just controlled through these dials. And then behind me, you do have a vent. This is just a manual vent. Opens up, you can let some fresh air in here. Thanks for checking out the 130BH with me. This camper, along with many more that we have, will be at our Tip-Off to Adventure RV and Boat Show the 17th through the 22nd. So come out and see us. We'd love to see you.